What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're into FPV drones or you're just getting started, today's video is going to save you a lot of crashes, money, and frustration. This is the S8 Flight Simulator Controller, a handheld FPV simulator remote designed for serious drone training. Whether you fly freestyle, race drones, or you're still learning basic control, this controller is built to feel as close to real FPV flying as possible. The S8 supports over 14 mainstream FPV simulators, including Liftoff, DRL, DCL, Uncrashed, Velocidrone, FPV, Freerider, and even DJI Virtual Flight. What really stands out here is the professional-grade physics engine support. With CFD-based aerodynamic calculations and realistic turbulence simulation, your movements in the sim translate almost exactly like a real drone, whether it's a lightweight micro or a full-size racing quad. Now let's talk about the feel. The S8 uses an aircraft-grade control system with dual ball-bearing metal joysticks and a composite damping structure. That means smoother input, precise centering, and realistic feedback. You get ultra-fine control with 0.1 degree precision, which actually exceeds standard aviation training requirements. For customization, this controller features 8-channel PPM output, along with 2 3-position switches and 2 2-position switches, making it perfect for arming, flight modes, turtle mode, and advanced simulator setups. One of my favorite things is how easy it is to use. No drivers, no batteries, just plug and play using the USB Type-C cable. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and Harmony OS. And thanks to its low latency protocol, input delay stays under 8 milliseconds, which is critical for racing and freestyle practice. You can even train on your phone or tablet using mobile FPV simulator apps like FPV Logic and Freerider, so you're not stuck at your desk. Durability is another big plus. This controller has passed over 2 million joystick impact tests and meets international certifications like CE, FCC, PSE, CPSC, and ROHS 2.0. Whether you're a beginner logging hours or a competitive pilot training for DRL-style tracks, the S8 is built to handle long, intense sessions. Inside the box, you get the S8 Flight Simulator Controller, metal joysticks, a USB Type-C cable, and a manual. Everything you need to start flying right away. So if you want to improve your FPV skills, practice safely, and fly with confidence before taking your drone into the air, the S8 Flight Simulator Controller is a powerful training tool worth checking out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more drone gear reviews and honest tech breakdowns right here on Caring Guy.